Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ and this is a rhymes time. I hope you are already following all the rhymes that we are doing in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. If not, I leave the playlist link here. Please do check out all the rhymes that we have done till now, and rhymes is one of the fun way to learn the vocabulary, to improve your vocabulary. And this will be most apted for the children and for adults. You can learn the words quickly. So let's start today's rhyme. ಇವತ್ತಿನ rhymes ಯಾವುದು? ಚಂದಿರ. ಚಂದಿರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಡಿ. So we'll start with today's rhyme. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವನಮ್ಮ. Why the Chandira will run Amma? So here the baby is talking to Amma, speaking to Amma. The baby is asking, Amma, why does the Chandira run? Odu is a run. Etake is why does he run? ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೆ. Moda is a cloud. Hedar is just scared, fear. Is he scared of a clouds? Why Amma? Amma, why Chandra is running? Is he scared of the clouds? And the baby is asking Amma. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೋಡ is like a silver clouds anta. Okay, it looks like that. So that is why we say ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಮೋಡ. ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು, the moda is like a waves. ಅಲೆ is a wave. So ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು, ಕಂಡು is he has seen that ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳು, he has seen the wave of the clouds. Is that why the Chandira is ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಬೆದರಿಹನೆ, ಬೆದರು, ಹೆದರು is almost same meaning, scared. Is that why the Chandra is scared after watching the waves of clouds in the sky? Is he scared because of that? The baby is asking Amma like this. So this is a small rhymes, the 4 lines one. I'll repeat once again. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ, ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೆ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೆ. We'll repeat. ಚಂದಿರನೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡುವ ನಮ್ಮ, ಮೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆದರಿಹನೆ. ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ಮೋಡದ ಅಲೆಗಳ ಕಂಡು ಚಂದಿರ ಬೆದರಿಹನೆ. Practice ಮಾಡಿ and do send a video of this one. I'll be very happy to see that you are singing this one. Share this video with your friends and let them also have learn Kannada in a fun way. Thank you so much. Namaskara, dhanyavada. See you all with one more rhymes. Namaste. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.